Hey guys, it's me, Avye, coming back at you with another video. So in today's video, I am going to be recreating like beauty guru looks like from YouTube, but onto MSP. So let me just first log on to my account, and then we can go find like our first look to like put on MSP. So we are logged on. Thank you so much for level 36. We got like a diamond pack rare. Okay. I don't know what color to make like the shades in. I don't know. But so anyways, now let's hop into the beauty clinic. Okay, so we are here. I just took off like the accessories that I wear. And so now we have to go and find our first tutorial. So let me kind of explain what we're going to do. I'm just going to be trying to recreate the beauty looks. I pretty much, of course, can't follow like the whole tutorial or anything like that because, you know, it's just like MSP. There isn't like, it's not like how like in real life like makeup works, if you get me. But so now let's find our tutorial. Okay, so I think I found a tutorial. I kind of want to like try to make this in MSP. So let's first try to do the like eyeshadow. I'm not sure which one we do for it. I guess we could use this one. So for the first color we would do like pinkish color, I think. Alright, so I think like yeah, in the corner there's like a little highlighter, as you can see. But so now for the second color, I think we would do pink. Like a pinkish purplish color, like maybe that. Okay, I think this color would look good. And now for the top, there is some highlighter at the top. So maybe like this. Nah, I think we should do it like maybe this. Yeah, since like it's really highlighted, as you can see from here. And now for this color, I'm not sure what this color is. Oh, okay, this is the bottom, so maybe like this color or this. Yeah, I guess we can do this. Alright, so now for the lips, I guess, I don't know what lips we should do. Alright, so we should do maybe these. Yeah, I think we should do these. And for the color, we can do maybe like this. I don't know, that really doesn't match with the skin tone. It looks a bit lighter, so it pops out more. I guess this is like the closest thing we can get to it. So yeah, this is the first look, so now let's buy it. Okay, it looks really weird with our eyes, but so let's try it with some other eyes. I'll just use these like brownish eyes. And like the highlighter is pretty good. I think it matches with the one which is shown in the like thumbnail. So yeah, let's see how it looks. Alright, I think that actually looks pretty good. I like it. So now maybe let's try to make a look to match with it. Okay, yeah, I think like the like necklace kind of choker thing would look good. Or maybe like this. Yeah, I kind of like that better for this look. Maybe these earrings. Yeah, I like that. And for the hair, maybe like this. I don't know. So in the thumbnail, they have like some curly hair. So I think I'll just like try to do that if I have that. But so yeah, let's just get like this hair, like the Ari hair in black. Since there isn't an outfit shown in the thumbnail, I'm just going to try to like imagine an outfit that would look go good with it, and I'm gonna like make it on MSP, of course. Maybe like some jeans or something. I don't know. I don't really have lots of options on this account, but I guess like I don't know. I guess I could do this. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, so this is the first look. I really like it. So now let's just pick an animation for it, and then we can make a look of it. Alright, this animation looks good. So yeah, this is the first look. So yeah, I'm just going to use these. And let's name this. I'm just going to name this number 1. Okay, so now on to the next look. Let's go and look for one. Alright, I kind of like this look that I found. This look is clearly for a lighter skin tone. Alright, let me just take off this. I don't have the highlighter to match it. I might just like get some if I can find any. So first for the lips. So they're like a brownish color. So I think we should use like this maybe. Now let's use like the Vaseline like bigger lips. Yeah, like this I guess. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And now for the eye makeup. So it has like a bronzy, like orangish look to it. So yeah, let's just try to make that. I think this would be like good for it. Like this looks pretty similar, I guess, if we change the colors up. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe something else. I'm not really sure what we can use for this. There isn't really any eyeliner in like the thumbnail, but we can just try to like, but there's like no better options really, so let's just make so yeah, now let's just make the inner like color, no, not the inner color, the outer color. Let's just make that a darker orange, and then we can make the other color like a light. Yeah, like let's make it a skin tone like is that peachy? I don't know. Yeah, like, let's just make it like peachy, and then for like the top we can do maybe red. Yeah, I like the red. And now I think we should change the eyes. Maybe to like these. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so these in black. That looks pretty good. Now all I need to do is change the highlighter because it clearly doesn't look good. Okay, so so I think this is Josh. So Josh bought some winter cheeks, so let me just make them in the correct color. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna buy a few of these. Alright, so I bought some. Now let me just go and we have to make the look. So this is the like winter cheeks or the highlighter that looks good with it. So let's just take off our eyelashes, like extensions. And now let's see how the hair was like. Alright, it was black hair and a bun. Okay, we have black hair and a bun, and yeah, it doesn't really show the outfit. All it shows is like white straps. Alright, this looks alright. So now for the pants, maybe like these or something. Yeah, I think that looks like alright. And now for the shoes, I don't know. Let's just make them gray to match with the pants, I guess. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Maybe we could add a necklace or something. Like that, I think that looks pretty good. Alright, so now we are creating the second look with this outfit. I really like it. So yeah, so we're just going to name this number 2. And now we are going to find the final third look. Okay, I kind of like this look, so we can like try it out. So yeah, so this is like going to be like a tan look. So this is going to be a tan look. I made it so that I had a makeup look for every skin tone. Well, not like every single skin tone, you get me, but you know, I did white, black, and now I'm doing tan. So yeah, this is the look we are using. I think I'm going to try to change up the eye makeup because it looks like the thing we used for the last look. So maybe we can try and make it pink like the lips. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, we did this for the colors for the eye makeup, and now for the lips. Maybe like these lips. I don't know. Yeah, I think like we should I'm going to use the Vaseline looking lips, the bigger ones, and I think I'm going to change the skin color just a little bit. Yeah, so I think I'm going to be doing this one, and maybe we can try out another eyeshadow. Alright, so I tried to make the eyeshadow look different from this look. So yeah, I think I did a pretty good job at doing that. And now for the eyes, I guess we can do these. Yeah, this looks pretty good, and it doesn't show the eye colors, so maybe we can just do like green or something. Alright, this color here looks pretty good. I like it. Wait, so I think we should use the VIP eyes. Yeah, the VIP eyes look better for this look, and now we just need to change up the outfit and stuff. So I'm going to be using like this peachy, like winter cheek. I don't know what I could do for the hair. I'll try to find something that would look good with it. Okay, I like this hair. I think this hair looks pretty good, and now we just need to do a top and a bottom, and the shoes. Maybe like this. I kind of like it. Okay, this outfit took me a kind of long time, but so I think I'm going to be using this. Okay, so I saved it as look number 3. You can use any of these looks for yourself. You can buy what I was wearing, from the looks, and you can just copy off what I did if you want to have these makeup looks. So yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe. We are close to 21,000 subs. So yeah, remember to join the #QtieFam. Yeah, bye guys.